This is a black iron Japanese style Hori gardening knife, and it has way more uses than just for gardening. This thing would be great for like metal detecting, camping, hunting, all kinds of stuff. Comes with a nice studded leather sheath in here. This thing's pretty durable. It's got a belt loop on it so you can wear it on your belt when you're working around the garden. Just wanted to give you a couple measurements on here. The blade itself measures in at 7 inches and the handle measures in at a little over 5 inches, giving you a total length of about 12 1/8 inches. Thing's made out of stainless steel, and this handle and tang goes all the way through to the top of the handle, which I really like. So it gives you some extra stability. It's got some kind of hardwood handle on here and a hole in the top so you can hang it up. Couple different markers on here. We've got inches and we've got millimeters. So if you're transplanting to a certain depth, makes it easy to do that. You got a serrated edge on here. It makes it easy for cutting out weeds or cutting holes if you're transplanting or chopping, limbs, cutting stuff out of the way. And it comes with a sharpening stone. It's a pretty convenient tool. You could wear it on your belt. It's got so many uses: transplanting, digging holes, cutting weeds out, chopping foliage out of the way, stuff you want to get rid of, brush. Obviously great for your metal detecting. Again, you could wear it on your waist. It's got kind of a concave blade on here, so great for cutting circles out if you want to plant something. Hori gardening knife.